A lot of people ask if it's possible to sound like a native speaker. In this video, I'm gonna show you 7 secrets to sound like a native speaker. The first secret, a consonant letter after the would be the, like the girl, the man. A vowel letter after the would be the, like the orange, the apple. The second secret, a consonant letter after T in the second word, letter T will be silent, like next week, next week, next week, last week, last week. Third secret, a vowel letter after T in the second word, T will be R, like what about, get out, get out. A lot of. The fourth secret, letter T in a word between 2 vowel letters will be D, like water, water, better, better, matter, matter, letter, letter. The fifth secret, letter O in the second letter in the word will be silent, like connection, connection, mother, mother, money, money, conversation, conversation. The sixth secret, letter O in any position except the second one will be like stop, stop, shop. And the small words with 3 letters will be too, like cob, cob, pot, pot. The last secret, ing, at the end of the word will be in, like watching, listening, traveling, traveling.